Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, this is the second part from exercise 16.2 and in this video I am going to start from sum number 7. For the previous part, please check the description box, the link will be there. So the diagram. So in the diagram 1, given below shows two paths drawn inside a rectangular field that is 50-meter long and 35-meter wide. The width of each path is 5 meters. Find the area of the shaded portion. Okay, so here in sum number 7.1. So suppose this one here, that is A, and that one B, C, D. Okay, and here this one PQ, this one here RS. So as here, first you have to find out the total area of the rectangular field. You know that is length equal to 50 and breadth equal to 35. So here area of field, that equal to 50 into 35 meter square. Okay, 50 into 35 meter square, that is the total area. So now if 50 into 35, you know that 50 into 35, that equal to 1750. It's very easy. So now as here the path is ABCD is a rectangular portion. This portion here ABCD is a rectangular portion, as well as here PQRS also a rectangular portion. But here this portion is the common portion, the middle one. Okay, so that here the breadth of the path or the width of the path, that is 5 meter. Okay, that means here ABCD, that rectangle, the length equal to 50 but breadth equal to 5. So the area of ABCD, first you have to find out the area of ABCD, then you have to find out the area of PQRS, and then you have to subtract the middle portion, and the middle portion it's a square. Okay, the middle portion it's a square. If you named it as MNOP, so it will be, then you have to minus here MNOP. So now the area of ABCD, that equal to 50 into 5. 5 is the width of the rectangular ABCD. Then PQRS, here the length equal to 35 into 5, and last one MNOP, that is 5 into 5 because it's a square. So that equal to here 250 plus 175 minus 25, and that equal to 400 meter square. So 400 meter square is the area of the shaded portion, and if you want to find out the total area of the field, that equal to 1750. And last one, if you want to find out the area of the field without path, then you have to just subtract 400 from 1750. Now move on to the next sum number 7.2. In sum number 7.2, in the diagram given below, calculate the area of the shaded portion. All measurement are in centimeter. Okay, so here the length is, okay, the length is 8 and breadth is 6. So length equal to 8 centimeter, breadth equal to 6 centimeter. Good. And there will be a 5 square. Okay, how many square there? Total 5 square, and each and every square the side is 2 centimeter. Okay, each and every square the side is 2 centimeter. So that means if you want to find out the shaded portion, the area of the shaded portion, that equal to, first we have to find out the area of 5 square. So area of 5 square, that equal to here 2 into 2 into 5. So it's 20 centimeter square. Now the area of the total field, okay, area of the field, that equal to 8 into 6, so 48 centimeter square. So therefore area of the shaded portion, shaded portion, and that equal to 48 minus 20, so it's 28 centimeter square as your answer. Now next one, sum number 8. In sum number 8, a rectangular plot 20-meter long. Okay, so here long equal to 20 meter and 14-meter wide. So breadth equal to 14 meter is to be covered with the grass leaving 2 meter all around. So you have to leaving 2 meter all around. So first you have to find out the total field. Okay, the total field area or the plot area. So here the plot area equal to 20 into 14, 280 meter square. Okay, now you have to find out the length of the grassy lawn. Okay, so length of the grassy lawn, and that equal to 20 minus 2 plus 2. Why 20 minus 2 plus 2? Because if this one is the rectangular plot and if 2 meter wide, that is 2 meter wide area. Okay, 2 meter wide area around living 2 meter wide area, so that equal to, so if this one equal to 20, total length 20, then that portion will be cancel out from this one 2 and from this one 2. So that's why 2 plus 2 will be subtracted from 20, as well as if this one equal to 14, then that one will be this portion. This portion will be here also 2 subtracted, here also 2 subtracted. So first one, that one equal to 16 meter, and breadth of the grassy lawn, that equal to here 14 minus 2 plus 2, so that equal to here 10 meter. Okay, so now the area of the grassy lawn. Okay, so area of the grassy lawn, that equal to area of the grassy lawn, that equal to 16 into 10, that equal to 160 meter square. It's your final answer. Now next one, here the next one, sum number 9. In sum number 9, the shaded region of the given diagram represent the lawn in front of a house. On three sides of the lawn there are flower beds with width 2 meter. So find the length and the breadth of the lawn. So as here, suppose this one here A, this one D, so and draw like this way. So it's A, B, C, D, and this one here E, F, then G, H. Okay, so that means here this portion B, E, C, E, F, B, E, E, F is the lawn. Okay, this portion, that is the lawn. So now length of the lawn. So here the length of the lawn, as the total length is 30 and that is 2 meter wide. So length of the lawn, that equal to 30 minus 2 and here also plus 2. So that equal to 26 meter. Okay, as well as breadth. So breadth of the lawn, that equal to, as the total length is what? Total breadth equal to here 12. Here 12 minus only 2, because there will be only one side, there will be is here 2. Okay, this portion has no white section. Here the flower beds is only one side in the breadth, the other section there will be no flower beds. That's why here you have to subtract only 2 from 12, and that equal to 10 meter. Okay, so that means the length of the lawn equal to 26 and the breadth of the lawn equal to 10 meter. Now you have to find out the area of the flower beds. So the area of the flower beds, to find out the area of that portion, first you have to find out the total area, and then you have to subtract the area of the lawn. So as the total area will be 30 into 12, and the area of the lawn will be 26 into 10. So 30 into 12, that is 360, and here 260, so that equal to 100 meter square is your answer. Now sum number 10. A footpath of uniform width runs all around the inside of a rectangular field 50 meter and 38 meter wide. So here length equal to 50 and 38 is the breadth. So area, okay, so area of the field, that equal to 50 into 38. So 50 into 38, that equal to 1900 meter square. Now let the width of the footpath all around inside the rectangular field, that is x. So each and every side, that will be x. Okay. So that means here the length without path. Okay. Length without path, that will be 50 minus 2x, because x in both side, and breadth without path, that equal to 38 minus 2x. So now the area of the field without path, that equal to 50 minus 2x into 38 minus 2x. Okay, 50 minus 2x, that equal to, sorry, into 38 minus 2x. So that is the area of the middle portion, that means that one. Now, if you want to find out the area of the path, that means that portion, area of the path, then you have to subtract the middle portion from the total area. So according to the problem ATP, 50 into 38, that means 1900, minus 50 minus 2x into 38 minus 2x, that equal to 492. It's given 492 is the area of the path. So now here 50 into 38, that equal to 1900. After that minus 1900, then that one will be plus 76. After that, that one will be plus 100x, and then it will be minus 4x squared, that equal to 492. 1900 cancel out, it's 176x minus 4x squared, that equal to 492. If you divide it by 4, then it becomes 44x minus x square, and that one equal to 123. Okay, so now the given quadratic equation is x square minus 44x, and that one will be here plus 123. So from this quadratic equation, you will get here x minus 3 and x minus 41 by middle term factorization method. Okay, so from that x equal to 3, and the next one here x equal to 41. Okay, as x equal to 3 and x equal to 41, but x equal to 41, it's not possible, because here the breadth of the field is 38 and the width of the path cannot greater than the breadth. So here your answer will be x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is the width of the path. Now next move on to sum number 11. So here in sum number 11, you have the cost of enclosing a rectangular garden with fence all around at the rate rupees 15 per meter. So rupees 15 per meter is the cost, and the total cost is 5400. Okay, total cost is 5400. So you can easily find out what? You can easily find out the length of the fence. Okay, so here the length of the fence will be 25400. So fence length, that equal to 5400 divided by 15. Okay, so if you divide 5400 by 15, you will get 360. So 360 is the length of the fence, or you can also call this one the perimeter of the garden. Okay, the perimeter of the garden. Now in the next part, if the length of the garden is 100 meter, okay, very good. So here length equal to 100 meter, then find out the area. That means first you have to find out the breadth. So 2 into length plus breadth, that equal to perimeter, and here the perimeter is 360. So 2 divided by 180, then breadth equal to 180 minus length, as length equal to 100, so that equal to 80. So 80 meter is the breadth. Now you can easily find out the area, that is length into breadth meter square, so that equal to 8000 meter square. Okay, now next one, sum number 12. So sum number 12 is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here a rectangular floor which measures 15 into 8 is to be laid with the tiles measuring 50 centimeter into 25 centimeter. So 15 meter and 8 meter is the length and breadth of the floor, and here the tiles is 25 centimeter into 50 centimeter. Okay, that means 50 centimeter is the length and 25 centimeter is the breadth of each tile. If a carpet is laid on the floor so that a space of 1 meter exists between its edges and the edges of the floor, what fraction of floor is uncovered? So first here draw a rectangle. So that is the rectangular plot. Suppose here A, B, C, D. Okay, and that portion, so it is 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter from every side. Okay, so here ABCD is a rectangular field whose measurement is 15 meter and 8 meter. So length means 15, breadth means 18. So first you have to find out the area. So area of ABCD, that is 15 into 8, that equal to 120 meter square. Very good. Now next, the measurement of the tiles is 50 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So the area of each tile, okay, area of each tile, that equal to, so first you have to convert this centimeter into meter. So first one will be half meter and second one will be 1 by 4 meter, so that equal to 1 by 8 meter square. So number of tiles, so number of tiles equal to, here 120 divided by 1 by 8, that equal to 960. So 960 tiles. Now the length of the carpet will be length of carpet, that equal to, as 15 centimeter is the total, sorry, 15 meter is the total length, so 15 minus 1 plus 1, so that equal to 13, as well as breadth equal to 8 minus 1 plus 1, that equal to 6. So length equal to 13, breadth equal to 6. So area of the carpet, that equal to 13 into 6, that equal to 78 meter square. Okay, so now the area of floor which is uncovered by the carpet, the area of the floor which is uncovered by the carpet, that is 120 as the total area. So 120 minus 78, so 120 minus 78, that equal to 42 meter square. So 42 meter square is the area of the floor which is uncovered by the carpet. Okay, so now you have to find out the fraction. So here the fraction, the upper one is area of the floor which is uncovered, that is 42, and the lower is area of the floor, that is 120. So 42 by 120, that is here 7. Okay, that is here 7 by 20. So just write down here 7 by 20. So that is your answer. So guys, please keep watching and keep supporting.